Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Grambling local and long-distance movers, near me. If you have purchased your dream house in another city, state, or country, hiring a reliable and professional mover is vital. Our professional moving firm, 3 Movers, is certified and has a good working relationship with the local federal association, so we have the required permits to complete a long-distance shift at the most affordable price. Moreover, a long-distance shift requires more planning and man-force to complete the shift. Therefore, it is essential to hire a team of professionals. Even if you are making a nearby shift, you should always hire a professional mover. As the shifting process is still the same, you must pack, unpack, load, unload, and resettle your belongings. So, doing it all by yourself without prior experience, as it might damage your belongings. So, it's always a good option to hire a professional mover like 3 Movers. We provide high-quality service and same-day shifting for local shifts as well. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Grambling moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.